أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, who is very kind to us and who is most beneficent and who is the creator of mankind. Allah is who is the creator of all the living things. Allah is who has created this earth. Allah is who has created this sky. Allah has created all the skies. Allah has created all the planets, and Allah is the creator of all the living things and non-living things. With this, I do greet Assalamu alaikum to all of my students over here, and I would like to greet Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of my students, all of my Pakistanis, and all of my YouTube channel viewers, and especially the students who are from Civil Engineering Department, who are right now with me from Section E. The students are with me right now in the online lecture. I do welcome again all of my students here, and I do take Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Assalamu alaikum, beta.
Ji sir, walaikum salam.
How are you, baby?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
Okay, my dear. What about your parents and about your family there in Palestine?
Yes, they are good, alhamdulillah.
Okay. My prayers are for all the Muslims as well as for all the living creatures over there, especially the mankinds over there who are suffering from the fear of corona is there, and I do pray for this, that may Allah escape all of us from all kinds of diseases like corona and others. Say Ameen, Mr. Ibrahim. Ameen. Okay, Mr. Ibrahim, you are
Yes, sir.
I want to know, you are good at mathematics or not?
Mathematics.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have the pen and the notebook with you right now?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Do you feel comfortable there while the webcam will be on over there? Do turn on your camera over there if you feel comfortable there.
Actually, sir, I'm not ready for that.
Okay, you are not ready. Your makeup, you haven't done your makeup over there. All right. Is it so? No problem. Okay, I will admire you whether you have washed your mouth or not. I do like all. One thing is there, parents and the teachers like every of his child or her child, and the students. Okay, are you ready, my dear? You have the pen and the notebook with you. All right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, it is actually the revision over there going on. All right? And I'm going to tell you about the increment operator over there and what is meant by the increment operator, what are the types of increment operators are there. And all of you know well, the increment operator is the operator that if we use the plus operator twice, it is known as what? Increment operator. And we do increment any variable by a value of 1. Yes, Mr. Ibrahim?
By a value of what?
Yes. When increment operator is being used, we do add 1 to the variable, all right? And
yes,
we use the operator plus twice over there, all right? Are you getting my idea? Mr.
Yes,
Ibrahim.
yes,
And
yes, yes, sir.
I'm going to tell you about the types of the increment operators. There are two types of operators are there. Number one, postfix increment operator. Number two, prefix increment operator. Are you getting? Two types of operators are there. Mr. Ibrahim, why did you turn off your mic? Okay, be with me over there. Hello, Mr. Ibrahim. Are you there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
Okay, okay. Now I am going to give example of the postfix increment operator. When we use the increment operator, that is, we place the operator plus sign twice over there after the variable. Okay, it is known as what? Postfix increment operator. All right. Just like the example over there, what is written over there, Mr. Ibrahim? That is the variable name. After following the variable name, we do write do place two plus signs. When we do place the plus sign twice, it is known as postfix increment operator. Okay, my dear. Now I am giving you an example of this. Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, what is written over there?
Int A equal 55.
Okay, over here we have declared a variable. The name of the variable is A, and we have initialized the variable with 55. Now, what is the value that will be stored in the variable A? Do tell me.
55.
55. Do write in your notebook,
Ji.
Mr. Ibrahim.
Yes, sir.
Do write this in your notebook, and
Already
do
write.
write A at the head. At the top, you write A. It means the value of A is 55. Now, the see out statement is there. All right.
Yes.
What is the statement over there? We are going to display whatever the value in A is there, and we have used over there a postfix increment operator. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, do you know
Yes.
what this statement of C out statement will result into, and what this statement of C out will give you output?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know, you were not there in the lecture. That's why I did take you right now over there. Okay, uh, you fell ill in in uh, in those days when I did take this lecture. Okay, it
Ji.
okay. Are you there with me now?
Yes, yes.
I'm going to help you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, and all of the students over there of my class, Civil Engineering, Section E. Whenever we used a postfix increment operator, that we place the plus sign twice after the variable, just like over here, A plus plus. What this will do? Okay, remember all of my students, you can note this thing. Whenever we use postfix increment operator, first of all, the value of the variable will be used. Okay, it means the whatever the value of A is there, that will be displayed first of all. And do tell me, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, what is the value of A is there?
A is 55.
Now, A plus plus means whenever you use over here, A plus plus mean we use postfix increment operator. All right.
All
And
right.
postfix increment operator does what? First of all, the value of the variable will be used. it means that it will be displayed. And then after then, the one will be, the variable will be incremented by 1. All right. Now, Mr.
Okay.
Ibrahim Bilal, see out a plus plus. What will be done? First of all, the whatever the value of a is there, that will be displayed. Tell me, what is the value of a is there currently?
55.
55. That will be displayed. That will be displayed.
Display.
Two things will happen over there. One thing is there. First of all, the value will be used, or value of the variable will be displayed. All right. And then what will be done? The variable will be incremented by 1. Now, 55 will be displayed over there. All right. And then what will be done? You
56.
okay, add 1 to the variable a.
56.
Okay, do write into your notebook. Now the new value of a is what?
56.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, if I
Yes.
do ask you, a C out statement is there. Okay, and then we have written over there a. It will display the value that is currently in the memory, is resident over there. Now you do tell me, what is the value of a is there in currently?
Currently now is 55, sir.
No, no, yaar. Have you written something onto your notebook?
Yes.
What is the current value of a is there?
Like after the increment operator,
Yes, after the
it is
increment,
56.
56. And what will be the output of this statement? 56. And now I do revise this thing. It will help you in the coming slides over there to make you understand and make you comprehend yourself over there, understanding this. Whenever we use a postfix increment operator, my dear, what happens over there? First of all, the value of the variable will be used or will be displayed. All right. Then the variable will be incremented by 1. And over here, what happened over there? As a result of this C out statement, are you looking at the screen,
Yes, yes,
Mr. Ibrahim?
yes.
As a result of this C out statement, what will be done? Whatever the value of A is there, that will be displayed. And the currently value of A is 55. That will be displayed. And the answer is what? 55. And after displaying, okay, what will be done here? The
Then
variable
we
will
will add.
be incremented by 1. What
Yes.
A's next value will be? Current value will be 56.
56.
Okay, if we go to display the value of A, current value of A, what will be displayed? 56.
56.
My dear Mr. Ibrahim, I worked hard with you. Now I'm going to, it is your exam right now of mathematics. How are you at mathematics? Are you
Good. Mahmoud.
good? You are good at mathematics?
Yes, I think so.
Now your exams has begun over here. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
MashaAllah. Okay. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, do read the statement over there.
A is 55, B is 5.
Now,
We have to create two
whatever you
variables.
have done, listen, whatever you have done earlier on, cross that one. All right.
Okay.
And begin a new page on the new page. Do write the value of A and what will be the value of B is there. Do write into your notebook. A's value is what? A's value is
A is
what?
55,
And B's value is?
5.
Okay, my dear. Have you written?
Yes.
Okay, my dear Mr. Ibrahim. Now the statement is before you. It is a cout statement to console output statement to print or display. Okay, whatever the result of uh, the statement that you are that is written over there. All right, following the cout statement. And for you to help you over here, I have written in this context that you can understand. Over here, a plus plus means we have used postfix increment operator over here with variable a, and then we are going to add
Okay,
another
this is
variable,
understood.
but we have used what? Postfix increment operator with the variable b. Now your exam begins over there. I do give you 1 minute, and do tell me what will be the output of this program.
It will be like 62.
Yes, 62.
62.
Okay, are you sure? Okay,
Yes.
if you wanna see, lock it. Can I lock it?
Yes, sure.
Okay, now my dear Ibrahim Bilal, if you wanna take the help of any one of your fellows over here, your class fellows are there. Okay, Mr. Hassan is there. Very talented boy is there. Do you wanna use the lifeline of Mr. Hassan?
For sure, sir. You can choose.
Okay, it is on behalf of you. If you wanna use other lifeline, Mr. Daud Bhatti is there. Which one of the students you wanna make use of the lifeline? Don't.
Dawood will join us. Dawood.
Okay, Mr. Daud. Mr. Daud. Mr. Daud. Okay, I do connect to the video over here. All right, Mr. Daud. Mr. Daud Bhatti. Daud, what happened here? Your mic is not visible over here. What happened? Daud Bhatti, my, who is Mr. Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay, actually, we are not helping to connect Mr. Uh, Daud Bhatti, and in the meanwhile, we can connect to other student, that is Mr. Hassan. Assalamu alaikum, beta.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Now you have become a lifeline for Mr. Ibrahim Bilal once again over there in this lecture. Now, were you there in the lecture when I did talk about the postfix increment operator?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you do you uh, want to participate over here? Share your answer.
Sir, 60.
What is? Speak loudly.
Six,
Yes,
60.
60. Okay. Mr. Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
like
sir.
after the increment operator, it
No, no,
must be
no, no,
like
no. I think so. You have forgotten. Twice I did make you understand. Yar, if you get yourself back the previous example, I did tell you one thing. When we use postfix increment operator, what will be done? First of all, we use the actual value, current value of the variable first of all.
correct.
Okay. Now you tell me what is the current value of A is there,
The current value of A is 55, sir.
and what is the current value of B is there?
5.
5. Do add these one. 55 plus 5.
60.
Okay. It means the actual value, the current value of the variable will be used first of all, and then the variables will be incremented by 1. All right,
G.
my
Yes.
dear, the answer is 60. But after displaying the answer or after using the current values, what Mr. Ibrahim Bilal now, Mr. Hassan, keep calm over there.
The,
All right.
the
Yes.
value will
And
be
Okay.
incremented.
Mr. Hassan, you must be over there, live over there. But I do connect Mr. Ibrahim Bilal over there. All right.
Okay, sir.
Keep calm over there. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal,
G.
after the execution of this statement, what is next value will become when 1 will be incremented to the A.
A value will become 56
Okay,
and B will be
do write into your notebook. Hurry up.
already ready.
Every student should write. If I am asking Mr. Ibrahim Bilal to write, it means I do ask all of my students to write. All right, my dear. Okay, A's current value is now what you know. B's current value is what you know. And don't tell over here. Now, if I do ask you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, can you look at the bottom? What is written? C out.
A plus B.
Now, what? Do tell me. After adding A plus B, do tell me what this statement will result, give output.
It will be 62 now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. It is not only the exam of your mathematics, it is the exam of
Like
your.
first, Mr. It print the real value of A and B, and then after the incremented
Yes,
operation.
yes, yes, you got. That is why I did clap for you. Now, I'm going to tell you, Mr. Ibrahim, and all of my students over here right now. What is the prefix increment operator? My dear students, if we do write the increment operator, okay, if we do place the increment operator before the variable, okay, this is what known as prefix increment operator. Okay, my dear. Like
Okay.
example, what will be done in this example? Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, A's current value
Yes.
is what?
55.
Do write this one. Okay, cross or do begin with the next page. All right.
Fine.
Forget about whatever you have done earlier on. Begin with a new journey. All right. Do write. What is the current value of A is there?
55.
Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Now,
Yes.
another statement is over here for that is C out statement. But prefix increment operator we have used before. That is, we used prefix increment operator with the variable A. Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Now,
But the double sign is before A.
yes, what will be done? First of all, the variable will be incremented by 1.
Direct.
Okay, variable will be incremented with by 1, and then the value of the variable will be used. Okay, my dear. Now, do tell me, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, what will be the output?
56.
Do I lock it? Are you sure?
I think so.
Think so or not? You must be deadly sure, yeah. What thing made you doubtful? Okay. Now, I'm going to make use of your brain. All right, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal.
G.
Now do tell me. Now
This
again
is
we are using C out plus A. What
now
its
it must
output
be
will be?
the real value of A, 55.
Why? Now have you written, first of all, I'm
Yes, sir.
taking you back. What have you written earlier on? Is what
55.
value is there? 55. Okay, when you are going to execute this C out statement, my dear.
We add one.
Okay, and then display it. What will be the output?
56.
And what is the current value of A is there?
Now it's 56 again.
Do write into your notebook. All of the students do write. Now the current value of A has become what?
56.
That is 56, my dear. All right. Now we have used over here C out plus A. That is
Now again,
prefix operator. What will be the output?
we will add another. We will add one.
Yes, what will be the output?
57.
57. Okay, my dear. Okay, my dear students, mashallah, mashallah, the lecture is going on very well over there. Okay, my dear. Another example over there for the prefix increment operator. Okay, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, turn the page on. Next page. Okay, you know. Another example is there. What is that one? What will be the value of A is there, Mr. Ibrahim?
4.
And B's value is what? Will be what?
4.
4. Do write into your notebook.
Yes.
Do write it into your notebook. Hurry up. Now the current value of A is what? 54. The B's current value is what? 4. All right. Now a C++ statement is before you. Do tell me what this statement will result into. What
60.
will, yes?
60.
Sure. Do I lock
Yes.
this one?
Yes.
Okay, 60. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, I did
Yes.
claim over there in the very first lecture that I did claim over there that I will make use of your brains. Okay?
G.
Yes, I did tell you. Okay? And programming makes you use of your brain. All right? It will not make you Nobita over there. Okay? Okay, my dear.
Yes.
Now a statement is there before you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. C out A plus B. Do tell me,
A plus B.
what will be the
58.
output? No chance will be there. If you will speak, no chance will be, second chance will not be given.
Okay, 58, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, what did I tell you? Just I'm going to give
Like,
you like,
there's
okay,
no plus
don't
sign.
Mr.
There's
Hassan,
no plus sign,
don't
sir.
help him. What prefix increment operator does? Add one to the variable.
And then we add another one. But
Okay.
there's no double sign here.
Now do tell
Double
me, what is the current value of A will be there?
55.
Do write into your notebook here. What B's current value is there?
5.
Okay, I am enjoying with you, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. Do you enjoy the lecture?
Yes, sure.
Okay, my dear, you are from Palestine and Islami brother over there, mashallah. And do tell me, now I helped you out there, but
Yes.
I did not tell you the answer. Now, see out A plus B. What will be the output?
Like, sir, just let me ask you one question.
Hurry up.
There's no double plus sign in
No,
the T out statement.
no.
So we should add again.
Ju- just, just you will add variable A and B.
I said 58.
Yar, you have forgotten. I do take you back over there. Now you do tell me what is the current value of A is there and what is the current value of B is there. Do tell me.
The current value of A is 55, sir.
Yes.
And B is 5.
Okay. Why this boo has come over there? Mr. Oh, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal. What happened, yaar? Okay, I do clap for you for participating in the lecture. What thing made you escape from this lecture over there and you turned your mic off over there?
No, it's on, sir.
Hmm? Okay, my dear. Did you understand the things? What is the reason why, my dear? If you use the prefix operator, what is the current value of A will become after execution of this statement? A's current value will become what, yaar?
55.
And what B's current value will become?
5.
Okay, if you add 55 and 5, what it will
60.
become? Okay, that is the thing. I wanted to make you use of your brain. Okay, my dear. Now, if you have done with the increment operator, can we go very fast over there with the decrement operator?
Yes.
In the decrement operator, we use minus minus twice. And we can use this decrement operator with the variable preceded by the variable and following the variable. And that is the increment of decrement operator is what? Yeah, we do place the minus sign twice. Okay, following the
Yes.
variable or before the variable, And why? What thing will be done over here?
Subtraction.
We subtract. Okay, one will be subtracted or one will be decremented to the variable. There are two types of the decrement operators are there. One is uh, what?
Increment.
Postfix decrement operator, and the other one is prefix
Prefix.
decrement operator. All right. Decrement
All
means
right.
we decrement the variable by one. Means we subtract the variable by one. All right. Now you
Okay.
have to go very fast over here. It is your exam, my dear. Over here, I'm going to give you an example over here. Now, cross whatever you have done earlier on or turn a new page over there. Do you have the new page with you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Do write what is the current value of A is there.
A is 55.
A's current value is
55.
55, my dear. All right. Have you written this?
Yes.
Have you written this? Mr.
Yes.
Ibrahim. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
you have written. All right, do tell me what this statement of cout will result into or what this cout statement will give you output.
This is the post-fixed decrement, so it will remain 55 for the first.
Okay, I do wanna clap for you. Now, after the execution of this statement, this value has been used, displayed, and what will be
Yes.
done? One will be, the variable will be decremented by 1.
Yes.
Decrement the variable. What is current value will be there? Do write into the notebook. Don't tell me over here.
Okay.
What will be the current value? Do write. Hurry up. Have you written?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now do tell me. See out A. What is current value will be there?
54.
That is 54, my dear. That is the post-fix decrement operator is there that you are going to use. All right. Okay, my dear. Another example
Yes.
for the post-fix decrement operator is there. Now, turn the next page or uh, borderline, whatever you have done earlier on. What is the current value of A is there?
A is 55.
Do write this one. What
Yes.
is the current value of B is there?
5.
Yes?
5, 5.
Okay, do write into your notebook.
Yes.
All right, my dear. Now, an example over here is there. Do tell me what this statement will result into.
The output will be 60.
Okay, that will be 60. Now, Mr. Ibrahim Bilal,
Yes.
A's current value, what it has become? A's current value, what will be?
Now again we should subtract 1
Do
from
write,
A value and B value.
okay, do write into your notebook current value of A and current value of B.
Already written.
All right.
Yes.
Have you written? No, I'm
Yes,
taking
yes.
you. C out A plus B. Now do tell me what will be the output?
58.
No. No, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Prefix operator, you know what will be done here? Hurry up. One will be decrement, variable will be decremented by 1 first of all, then value will be used. Okay, now do tell me what will be the output. Hurry up.
Now it's 54.
Okay, now it is 54. I do not clap for you right now because time is very short. With this example, do tell me, hurry up, do note the value of A and value of B. Value of A is 54 and value of B is what?
4.
4. Do write into your notebook. Hurry up. We have only 2 minutes there left.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear. Now, do tell me the answer. Hurry up. What will be the
It is
output?
56.
What will be?
56.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I do clap for you, my dear. And Mr. I think so, Muhammad Dawood, mic is not working over there. And I do especially pay thanks to Mr. Ibrahim Bilal and all of my students over there today. They were with me over there. It was the revision over there of the lecture. My dear students, all of you, do listen me. I am giving
Yes.
you a break of 30 minutes. How much the time? What time I am going to give? What time I am giving you the break? Mr. Ibrahim Bilal.
30 minutes break.
It is 30 minutes break is there. I'm giving you. Relax yourself. And after 30 minutes, my dear, you all people have to connect me the same way as you have connected me earlier on. And I think so. Mr. Ibrahim Bilal, you enjoyed a lot over there.
Yes.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, I enjoyed this lecture.
Okay, my dear. Allah Hafiz. See you after 30 minutes, everybody. My
Khuda Hafiz. Thank you.
Allah